Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the thank you cards for free in Heartopia without using any hard diamonds. So in this latest update, Heartopia is collaborating with Maltese. You can and in here you can gacha exclusive items like for outfit like this or for uh building decorations like this. You can just gacha for the exclusive items, but to roll the gacha, you will need the thank you cards like this. And now normally you can buy this using the hard diamond, but there's actually a free method using Wishing Star. And here's how. First, just tap on the globe icon and then just choose any Maltese gacha banner that you want. For example, in here I want choose this wine chasing puppy lights like this. And then after that, just tap on the exchange store over here. Just tap on it, and then at these sections, you can just exchange your visiting star for the thank you cards. Just scroll down on here, you can see it, and then in here you can see 3 visiting star can buy or can exchange to 1 thank you card. And so if you want a lot of cards, make sure to save up plenty of visiting star, but just keep in mind this free exchange is limited. You can only get up to 30 thank you cards, which equal 90 visiting stars total. And so just adjust the amount that you want like this, and then after that just tap on purchase. And okay, that's it. That's the easiest way to get free thank you cards without spending any hard diamonds. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.